Workshop Addict will show you where to find all main fluid filling points on a Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 with the 2.2 CRDi diesel engine. Each vehicle may use slightly different fluid types, so always verify before refilling. Here we have the coolant expansion tank. Clearly marked with min and max levels. Always make sure the coolant stays between these lines. Next to it is the windshield washer fluid reservoir, used for filling the screen wash. This reservoir is for the power steering fluid. Also marked with min and max lines to check the correct level. Here you can see the engine oil filler cap. And right beside it, the oil dipstick for checking the oil level. Finally, this small tank here is for the brake fluid. Always check the cap or owner's manual for the correct fluid type your car requires. That's its simple and clear overview of all fluid locations. Thanks for watching, and see you on Workshop Addict for more quick car repair and maintenance videos.